A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for insect. J for jam. K for kiwi. L for log. M for mushroom. N for nurse. O for orange. P for plum. Q for square. R for rectangle. S for shark. T for tooth. U for unhappy. V for vacuum. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yoga. Z for zebra.